Hey guys, Josh Hensing here again, 616clean.com. Another episode of Wash Science. Tonight, we're not going to be talking about soft wash science. We're going to talk about the part of the business behind the science. So, part of that business for me, people always ask why I don't have a wrap on my truck or a wrap on my trailer, and I guess I just look at it a little bit differently. I disagree with them. I do have a wrap. I just say that I basically have a wrap of ceramic coat, because our image is clean. I don't have any logos, stickers, nothing like that. It's just our image is clean. Keep our rig clean, keep our stuff clean, as good as we can. So talk a little bit about that and kind of the gap in the industry that I see as far as a lot of times guys don't know the products to use to protect your rig, protect your equipment from the SH and stuff like that. So I put this together. This is actually given to me, this end piece, and I had to make a few adaptations to it, but it's a Mossmatic quick coupler, which is pretty cool. I never seen those, and they're really smooth. And then I got a little foam cannon, so we'll be screwing around with that here in a minute. So I want to show you some products over here. Just some good products you can use on different things that I really like, that I use on my personal stuff, and I use them on my business stuff too. So this product right here is when you get those specks for brake dust or whatever on your side of your vehicle, it's those little rust marks. It's actually, most people will turn to a clay bar. I really like to use the iron fallout remover. What this does, it'll turn a color. It's by G Technique. It'll turn a color so it lets you know the areas that it's doing its work. And on top of that, you're not having to use a clay bar. You're not worrying about marring that surface if something gets stuck in the clay. Most people will end up doing a lot more damage really to their paint than they will do good using a clay bar. So it's a good product. You can use it on your wheels, all kinds of stuff, and it just basically takes the rust off everything and takes it right out of the paint for you. W6, you can get it in bigger bottles. This is part of a kit. And then another product, let's see here. When you're done cleaning your vehicle, it's just basically alcohol, but it's panel wipe. It's what I use to prep everything. It's really a good product if you're prepping really anything in your trailer that needs to be clean, you can make it yourself too, though. It's just isopropyl alcohol, essentially. Here's another product. This is the one that you're gonna probably use the most. It's C2V3. And what this is it's an alternative to your old school wax. A lot of people think they gotta do the old school wax where you put it on, wait till it dries and wipe it off. This stuff you can apply like a quick detailer. It's a spray on, let it sit for about a minute, and then wipe it off with a rag. And it's got more longevity. It's got better water beating properties, and it's more resistant to the product, to the chemicals we're using. So another good product. And then they do make a quick detailer. Essentially, it's the same thing. It's a sodium, or sorry, not a sodium silicate. It's a, I'm drawing a blank here, but it's essentially, when they talk about ceramic coats, it's liquid glass is what it is. I'm drawing a blank. But here's another one too. I actually like this one better than the C2V3, which is surprising because Adams is more of a consumer-based product, not like a professional product, but they actually do a really nice job with this stuff. So it's a good product too. And then one more product, because we're always dealing with stuff dehydrating, especially on our trucks. I get a lot of it like on my bed rail caps, where the plastic will turn, it gets faded because that stuff dehydrates plastic, the SH does. Here's a good product, Aerospace 303. It's awesome on like your tonneau covers, your vinyl, and then also your plastics. And it's a really, really good product, but it's not a great product. It doesn't have the longevity of some of the other ones, but it is a very good age-old product that's a proven to work. So this is my go-to product when I want to do something a little bit more permanent than that. And it's actually T2 tire dressing by Gtechniq. Why I like that one so much is you can use it on your tires, you can use it on your trim, and it does a really nice job, and it's that perfect in between of glossy and matte, but it doesn't want to, with the matte finish that it kind of has, it doesn't want to sling off like you see some of the silicones and the tire stuff, and it really lasts long. It's been an awesome product. I've used it and I really like it so far. It's awesome on like rubber components too, like your rubber seals. So just a little bit of back information. But yeah, this is how I got my shop pressure washer set up. You guys are familiar with everything here. You know, just a little quarter turn valve for the water. So I'll flip that sucker on. That's all I gotta do. And then hit that on and I'm off spraying. So pretty simple, not very difficult to use, and it's quick and easy. So I could roll my hoses out of my rig, I guess, but then the door's open if I'm trying to wash it. So it doesn't always really make sense or work. So, all right, I'm gonna show you how this works. What we're gonna do first here. So yeah. You can see the water kind of beating up on there pretty good. That's that Adams product actually. And I put that on, I don't know. It would have been about a month ago or so. But we're gonna show you this foam cannon. I'm using another product from Gtechniq called G-Wash in here. So we'll put this on and hopefully it works because kind of ran low on soap, so I'm hoping it's gonna foam real good for you. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it's spraying out a little bit there. This is a really old fitting, and I'm wondering if one of the balls must be screwed up in there because it's not coming out of any connection that I just put together, but that's probably why it's not foaming so good. Usually you get a lot more foam out of it. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. That's how kind of we keep everything clean around here. It's just a nice way of being able to do it. I know it's not practical for some people. Now I'm soaked because that fitting's kind of screwed up, but either way, you kind of get the gist of it. And I'm gonna get to rinsing, so we're gonna see you guys in the next one. This is Josh with 616clean.com. We'll see you soon.